I'll be cooking tortellini boscaiola.
So who's your mob and where are you from?
My mob's Ngunnawal mob, so down Canberra, Yass way. My family's mostly from the Yass area, and I grew up in Concord in Sydney. So yeah, I go to TAFE in Redfern, so I spent a little time down the block lately, which is good because there's like a lot more black fellas out that way, connecting with everyone. Found my grandmother's best friend down there one day, which was really nice. But yeah.
Awesome. So what got you in the art?
I've been drawing forever, so it's just in the blood, I think. My sisters are like relatively arty, but yeah, everybody sort of dabbles and then walks away from it, and I just never did. So yeah, it's good.
So who inspires you?
So my biggest inspiration at the moment would be Charlotte Allingham from Coffinbirth. Her work is just filled with culture and colour and story. She tells stories really well in her work, which is something I've been trying to work on myself. And I know that at the moment she's writing a book for little Indigenous kids, and it's like Indigenous fairies. So they have like wattle dresses and things like that, and it's just so beautiful. And so she lives in Melbourne, and she's an Indigenous artist obviously, and she works in similar programs to me. But yeah, I just adore everything that she does, and she's also one of the nicest people I've ever met. So she's been really helpful, and we've become really good friends. She sent me tips on how to do things when I was stressing about texture and all sorts of stuff like that. So yeah, I'd say definitely her at the moment. She's easily just an amazing creator.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So what are your aspirations? Where do you see yourself in 5 to 10 years time?
Oh, that's a hard question.
Well, that's why I asked.
I know.
It's the hard hidden questions I come out with.
Yeah, I guess sort of like you, I kind of just follow the path that I feel like I'm on, as like opportunities come, depending on how much I enjoy them and whether I feel like they're a right fit for me. I tend to kind of just go with the flow with a lot of things, but I am writing a book at the moment, so I hope to illustrate that, and getting it published would be crazy. I guess you know how that feels.
Yeah, no, it is.
Yeah, and yeah, so that's something that I really would like to do. I want to write an Indigenous children's book. I guess something that I would like my children to read.
Yeah, nice. So do you have any advice for the younger mob who want to sort of follow in your footsteps or get into digital art?
Hit everyone up for money for Christmas and birthday and buy that iPad. Afterpay it, do whatever you gotta do. Because once you've got it, you're good. You can create your own brushes. There is like a million tutorials online. There's wonderful people online, like you can hit me up. I will answer your questions. Like Charlotte, who's helped me so much, and yeah, just follow it, and then as you get it, the things that you want to create, you can.
So was there any particular reason that you picked this meal to cook, or it was just because you can cook it?
Well, I can cook it, and I can't cook much, so that's good. I'm pretty sure that my grandmother taught me this, and my sisters make it. Everybody makes it a little bit different, but it's really easy. It's one pot. It's so filling, so you don't need much, and I really like being able to feed everyone from a one-pot dish.
Joining us, Mel. Lovely boscaiola,
Yes.
and you need to follow us for some more man foods, I guess.
Yes.
I am black and I am deadly, I'm connected, I'm divine, I'm creative, I am native, honey, it's in my bloodline.